that moment, fire going out in the dark, was the most dangerous thing that could happen to an early human. Not a metaphor, literally life or death. No fire meant no warmth, no light, no protection from predators, and no cooked food, which, as we'll get into, was basically the thing that built our brains. So today, we're going back, way back, to figure out how our ancestors cracked the code on one of the greatest discoveries in human history. And here's the twist. They didn't invent fire. First, they stole it. Picture Africa. About 1.5 million years ago, lightning hits a dry savanna, the grass catches, animals scatter, and one of our ancestors, probably Homo erectus, doesn't run away. They move closer because that fire smells like something incredible. Cooked meat. From animals that didn't make it out. That's how it starts. Not by making fire, by finding it, stealing it from lightning strikes and volcanic flows, and then doing everything possible to keep it alive. We know this because evidence of fire use inside Wonderwork Cave in South Africa goes back about 1 million years. Inside a cave, meaning lightning couldn't have lit it. Someone brought that fire in and kept it burning. That's the first chapter. Humans as fire foragers, hunters of an ember, carrying burning branches across the landscape like they were made of gold. Because to them, they basically were. But this system had a massive problem. What happens when the lightning doesn't strike for weeks? When the volcano is too far away? When your ember goes out in the rain? You freeze, you get eaten, you starve. So the pressure was on. And slowly, over tens of thousands of years of watching, failing, and trying again, our ancestors figured something out. At some point, someone noticed something. When you rub 2 sticks together for long enough, they get warm. Keep going. They get hot. Keep going even longer. And you get a wisp of smoke, a glowing dust, an ember. That's the hand drill. You take a straight, dry spindle, press it into a wooden board, and spin it fast between your palms, pushing down while you go. It's exhausting. It takes serious technique, but it works. And then came the upgrade, the bow drill. Wrap a cord around the spindle, attach a bow. Now instead of using your bare hands, you're driving the spindle back and forth with a bow stroke. You can go faster, longer. You get that ember in a fraction of the time. Ancient Egyptians were using it. Indigenous tribes across the Americas used it. It's the same underlying logic as a modern drill, just powered by your arm and a piece of cord. These techniques didn't come from a single genius. They spread slowly, passed from group to group, parent to child, generation to generation. Trial and error, probably thousands of years of it, hardwired into human muscle memory. Now here's where it gets really interesting, and where the newest science comes in. In late 2025, archaeologists announced something that shook the history books. In Barnum, Suffolk in eastern England, they found the oldest evidence of deliberate fire-making ever discovered, 400,000 years old. And what did they find? A constructed hearth, used multiple times, heat-shattered stone axes, and 2 small fragments of iron pyrite that had been carried to this site from at least 10 miles away on purpose. Why does that matter? Because when you strike flint against iron pyrite at the right angle, sparks, hot, fierce sparks that can catch on dry tinder and give you a flame in seconds. This is the percussion method, and it is elegant. 2 rocks, right technique. Fire. The British Museum's Nick Ashton, one of the archaeologists on the study, called it the most exciting discovery of his 40-year career. And the implications are huge. This pushes back our understanding of when humans could reliably make fire by 350,000 years. Think about that. 400,000 years ago, our ancestors were importing specific rocks from miles away because they knew those rocks could make fire. That's not luck. That's knowledge. That's technology. So we stole fire. Then we learned to make it with friction, then with rocks. But here's the thing, nobody talks about enough. Fire didn't just keep us warm. Fire changed what we are. Cooked food is easier to digest. It unlocks more calories, more protein, more energy going to the brain. Researchers believe cooking is one of the key reasons our brains grew as large as they did. Fire also pushed humans together. A hearth is where you sit, where you talk, where stories get told, where trust gets built. the campfire might literally be where human culture was born. And year-round access to fire meant humans could move into colder climates, into places that would have killed us without it. Neanderthals in England, Ice Age Europe, eventually everywhere. Now I want to know, could you actually do it? No lighter, no matches, just rocks or sticks. Drop your honest answer in the comments. If this one got you thinking, share it with someone who'd find it wild, and hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this channel. See you in the next one.